Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Kia Carnival Platinum, stock reference number 5793. The shape runs from the 12th month 2015 through to the 10th month 2020. It has a D4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. D4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, camera type, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light. Front bumper cover has a little scuff in the centre. Left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard has no damage, left power door mirror, camera type. Bonnet has no damage. Left front, 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both left-hand doors have no damage. Left rear, 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the rear spoiler. Right rear, 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear power slide door, no damage. Right front door, no damage. Right power door mirror, camera type. Right guard has no damage, and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and tan leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, sat nav display screen, logbooks, left sun visor, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.